Good morning everyone. Today in this video we are going to talk about the differences between the shoot and the root apex. Okay, so the name itself indicate that apex means the tip. Okay, so the tip of shoot is known as shoot apex, whereas the tip of root is known as root apex. Okay, the second difference is between their position, and the position of the shoot apex is terminal. However, the position of root apex is subterminal. Okay, and why it is terminal, not terminal? Because at the terminal of the root there is terminal root cap. Okay, so root cap will provide a protection to the root apex. Okay, so the shoot apex is terminal in position, whereas the root apex is subterminal in position. Okay, the third difference between the two is, in the shoot apex, the apical meristem, it will produce primordial leaves. Okay, so the apical meristem is responsible for producing, okay, it will produce the primordial leaves. Okay, in case of the root apex, the apical meristem of root apex, it will form the cells that will form the root caps. Okay, so the apical meristem of the root, what it will produce? The apical meristem of the root, it will produce root cap. Okay, the fourth difference between the two processes is that shoot apex is larger in size when we compare it to the root apex. So the size is larger in comparison to the root apex. Okay, whereas the size of the root apex is smaller in comparison to the shoot apex. Okay, the fourth difference between the two is that the shoot apex, it is the place for the emergence of new leaves and flower. Okay, so it is the place for new leaf and flower emergence. Okay, so the new leaf and flower will emerge in the shoot only at the apex. Okay, whereas for the root apex, the role of root apex, it senses iron limitation and excess. So okay, so it has the sensory role. So what it senses? The iron limitation, that if there is a low iron or whether there is the excess. Okay, so the root apex will play the sensory role. The sixth difference between the shoot apex and the root apex is that the shoot apex does not contain cosecant center. Okay, so there is no cosecant center in the shoot apex. However, the root apex possesses it. Okay, the last difference between the shoot apex and the root apex, which I am going to cover in this video, is that the shoot apex and the root apex contain nodes and internodes. Okay, so nodes and internodes are present in shoot apex. Okay, whereas the root apex, it lacks nodes and the internodes. Okay, so these are the major differences between shoot apex and the root apex. Thank you for watching the video.